God, and welcome back to another
challenge.
As you guys can see through the title below, 2 truths and 1 lie. Okay, so I've been to 6 countries. I was born dead for 1 minute, obviously revived. And my first real kiss was when I was 14.
You like books.
You went to 6 countries.
Which one is the lie?
They went to 6 countries.
No.
You did for. I get it.
No, that's not the lie.
You kissed. You had your first kiss at the age of 14.
No.
Then I don't get it.
Oh, you died for a minute.
Yeah.
That's what I said. I was like, you
You've
did.
been to 6 countries.
Yeah.
Really?
What do you mean? So funny.
14?
Kind of.
God, I thought you liked books. I thought you liked Harry Potter.
Anyways, it was like a kiddie kiss anyway. But I considered it like a first real kiss because like I'd never kissed anyone before.
Question!
I want to guess this.
Who's making hers up on the spot?
I'm 17 years old.
Oh, come on.
I'm in year 10, and I was born in Samoa.
17 years old.
17 years old.
Yeah.
You have to pick some hard ones because she's like...
I knew. I snuck out and got caught.
That's definitely not a lie.
I got a hiding yesterday. And yeah, I got a hiding yesterday and I'm turning 17 this year.
You got hiding yesterday.
You snuck out and got.
Shame! Not those ones! I'm a good kid.
You guys, this is not fair. They like getting their own ones.
Well, we can't think.
You can't say I got hiding yesterday. Obviously, Kua's gonna know because she was with you.
No, I wasn't at home yesterday.
But you would have told her straight
No
away.
way.
Yes,
No.
you would.
Yes.
I wouldn't have told you. When I'm in hiding, I'm in like a ball
Oh, whatever.
at the mall. Yeah, girl.
Did you go hiding?
Yeah, at the mall. When I
Then
was with my
what?
friends. My dad thought I was lying to him. So.
I have eaten flies before.
Yep, got that one right.
Shut up.
I had my first sip of alcohol at 10 years old. Oh, I pooped my pants in year 7.
Eating flies.
You pooped your pants in year 7.
Kua got it right.
Flies? What the
Well, you know when they just come into your mouth and then it goes down your throat, you're like,
That's never happened to me.
and it never comes out.
Oh, so am I lying or am I right?
That's
You're
the lie.
lying.
I ain't no poop my pants when I was 7. I pooped my pants when I was 7.
You did or you didn't?
I didn't.
Oh, that was a lie. I
Oh, I
keep
thought
getting,
it was
I keep getting.
Did you think that was true? Oh my god. I didn't poop my pants when I was year 7. I know when the toilet is.
Are you sure?
I know where the toilet is.
No, literally, I went to laugh and my phone came out.
But you didn't know where the
Your
mortine
turn.
was. I speak 3 languages.
Oh, wait.
Why are you lying?
Girl, English and Samoa. There's nothing
No,
else.
There's yes, Aboriginal, Japanese, and French.
Where's English and stuff?
Yeah, well, make that 5. Anyways, I speak 3 languages. I can't swim.
That's the truth.
And it's so embarrassing. And
Oh my gosh, your voice She speaks 3 languages. She can't swim, and she almost got her head
She
shaken.
can't swim.
No, that's not the lie. That is true.
Oh, jokes. I keep thinking she almost got her head. But that's not true.
No, it's the languages. No,
She almost got
okay.
her head shaped.
Speaking, if you say you speak a language, you have to speak it fluently. If you
Yeah.
identify that you
Doesn't
speak that
matter.
language, if you know how to say Ohayo gozaimasu or konnichiwa, then I don't speak Japanese. I just know those 2 words.
Yeah, basically.
I know how to speak Apoliki fluently, okay?
What?
Well,
Oh my gosh, he is. I watched this.
shut me up. It's a lie.
Yeah, I knew I got it. Okay, go for it.
I smoke.
That's the lie.
Done.
Girl, we already got the lie. You don't need to go back and watch it.
But you kept telling me to go.
Oh, this is the last one.
Oh gosh.
I have eaten poo before.
Yep.
I've almost read every book on my shelf, which is right behind me.
That's true. That's true.
And I have had 7 boyfriends in my life.
Eating poo, okay.
But
I didn't get it. You liked books. So no,
No, you have to guess the lie.
The lie.
She ate
Shoot.
poo.
No.
She
7
had
boyfriends.
7 boyfriends.
Yeah. I've never had any 7 boyfriends in my life. Do I look like to you?
No.
So I said that the first time. So
I've
I
eaten
got
poo
that.
before.
Oh, you actually. I thought that was a lie.
Do you know how to say
You
words?
were a baby, probably.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
It was,
Are
I
you
could
showing
tell.
right now?
It was when I was a baby. Apparently, I stuck my hands in my nappy and then I put it in my mouth. And I did a big poo.
Run over.
Yeah.
When I was, run over before. Broken my left arm 5 times. And failed year 10. Yeah.
You have broken your arm.
You failed
Do you
your
think
10.
I failed year 10?
You failed
No.
your 10. You failed your 10.
Oh. But I think you broke your arm 5 times.
I have.
Yeah, she has.
My left arm 5 times.
What was your first question? What was your
Run
first
over. Run
Oh,
over.
yeah. We've already over.
Kasolo. Come on, Kevin got me a high I got solid by the car.
Sorry.
Yeah, it goes turn. Make it a good one, because even you couldn't guess my lie just then.
I broke my arm once. I failed year 9. And I snuck out.
Failed you know.
Failed you 9. Girl, you did not fail you 9. You know that you would not be on this earth if you failed anything.
Stop taking my questions, you.
What was my?
You literally took Your lie was
truth is-
Your lie was failed year 9.
Well guys, that's the end of our video. If you thought that we were funny, and even if you didn't,
Wait.
please like this video. No, we don't have any trailers.
Go.
I always have lunch.
Wait,
with
no,
a
no.
girl.
Yeah, you can't see you.
Guys, I always have a lunch with a girl every day when I go at work. And other thing, I scored 2 tries. I scored 2 tries, 1 game. And I drink 20 bottles of water in 1 day.
I know you did not go to a lunch with girls.
Oh no!
I know you did not go to a lunch with a girl. Obviously, that's the lie. So thank you
Sorry,
so
guys.
much everyone for watching
Sorry,
this
guys.
video.
She didn't know that.
Oh, you can see the mark on my... Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you liked it, then be sure to click that like button. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so that your phone rings every time that we upload. And we love you guys so much. And thank you to my cousins for being in this video. We've got Vainga, Kua and Ossie over there. We love you.